Welcome. In front of me I have the Ledger Nano S, and today I'll show you how to add a Bitcoin account to the Ledger. So anyway, to get started, you will obviously want to open up your Ledger application. In here, navigate to accounts, and you should see, well, probably nothing, assuming you haven't done that. So quickly actually remove them. So I'm gonna just delete those so it looks empty. There we go. So if you don't have any accounts here, as you will see, basically this is the page that you will see, and from here you want to select add account and then add account, and obviously you're gonna select Bitcoin right over here. It's right at the top, and now you want to select where you want to add this device to. So obviously for me it's gonna be Ledger Nano S. That is also what is connected right here. And then on the device itself, we need to press both of the buttons to open up the Bitcoin wallet, so it has access to it. We'll sync up the data and give it a second. Goes through syncing phase right here. It's still not done. And now it's finished. So click on continue. And now we can select go to account and select the actual account. As you can see, now that it's added, it will always just appear like this. You can tap on it, and from here buy or receive. So if you select receive, we can continue without the device, so we don't need to actually connect to it, which will quickly give us access to the QR code and obviously the account address or wallet address. So anyway, that is how you would add the actual wallet address or account. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.